What is going on, guys? We are back. My name is Colton, or DesignsDriven, and today we are going to be making the Pagani Zonda, and I'm super excited about this. We're going to kind of be doing a detailed dive in on how I created it digitally, and then actually putting the digital image that I created and making it onto pencil and paper. Super excited, so come with me and we will get started. So to start, we're going to be coming over to the desk and we are going to be starting to work with PicMonkey. Super easy editing software. You can just get your thoughts on paper. That's all we need. We don't need to save anything. We don't need it to look amazing. It's to edit out backgrounds of different photos, overlay it, add some text, and overall just, again, get your thought on the piece of paper. So here is the step or walkthrough on that. So as you can see here, we're kind of going through the step-by-step, and basically what I have is just I'm undoing what I created. I didn't really film the process of creating it because it took me a while to get all the images to make sure it looked good. I had to, edit out the background of the image I found. But basically what I'm doing here is creating the background. It's going to be completely white. That's how I like my style in art. And we are making it black and white. We're adding a little bit of text to the drawing. I think that's going to be kind of cool. It's different than some of my other drawings, but overall I think it's going to come out really good once we translate it to paper. Now that we have the picture, the idea of it, we can go ahead and start the time lapse of drawing. Again, the picture, I'm not going for realism. That's not my style. My style is supposed to look like a pencil drawing, complete white background, no shadows. It's a little bit different. I really like my style, but let's get into the time lapse. So here it is, guys. I am super excited about this. I think it came out really good. I'm not an expert drawer, but I do appreciate and love cars and the art of the Pagani Zonda that it is. I think it came out pretty good. I'm absolutely in love with the headlights. Doing those was extremely difficult, but I think it came out really, really good. I'm super excited to share this with y'all and have this be a part of my channel. And I'm just super excited that I can get this one done. So on that note, guys, let me know what I should do next. What kind of car should I do next? I'm super excited again to just grow this channel. I've been posting a few shorts. It's been getting a few views. So super excited for this Designs Driven. I want it to be a community. I want you guys to have input on what I draw, what I create, and just give me ideas. Do you want front of cars? Do you want 3/4 views? What supercars, what hypercars, what classic cars would you guys like? Again, guys, I'm just super excited to get the ball rolling on this channel, keep growing it, build that community that I know we can grow. Again, we were brand new, so be one of the first subscribers if you've made it this far. I really appreciate you. And also let me know if I should sell some prints. I've thought about it. Again, this would be just something that me and my community that I create would do. I'm super just pumped, and there's so many ideas going through my mind, but you guys help me out. Again, subscribe to start this channel, like the video. I'm super excited and super thankful for you who watched this video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.